Hello, fashion friends and family. This is Stacy Stube here from So Bromo and Elsa Fitzgerald Studio. It's evening now, but I'm going to take you back through earlier today. I'm in the freight elevator, and we are going to go meet Eddie from Statham. Basically setting up the machines. We have to get everything plugged in and ready to go, but here are the two machines that have arrived. That's the overlock, and then we have the single needle. I just had a call with Nicole Somaduro from Belvedere Terrace Atelier. She's our head educator, but we are in discussion about a few productions we have on the schedule. We look forward to showing you guys that process. We have also the artist spaces are being converted now. The transition was approved from the Wacomico building. These paintings and images have not gone up yet, but they're part of some exhibitions that we did when I first returned to Baltimore for the Baltimore Fashion Renaissance. And it was all about figuring out through art what a renaissance of industry would look like. Started setting up our fashion library. We had an exciting person visit us today. His name's Ryan Wallace. He used to work with me at Hugo Boss just under 20 years ago. It's crazy to think how fast time passes. But anyway, he is actually going to be teaching a course for us in leatherwork. He spent many years training in a guild in Arkansas. I just submitted an application, two applications, one for the NASDAQ Entrepreneur Center in San Francisco. They have a virtual training that's going to be happening if we get accepted for the program. We also applied for Halcyon House in Washington, D.C., another social impact-driven incubator space. On an international level, I've reconnected with some of my colleagues in London, but also some new people in this fashion entrepreneur space. We are going to be doing some interviews and discussing how do we revitalize industry, how do we create these sort of fashion innovation spaces that are making an impact within our communities and keeping trade alive. I look forward to sharing that with you along with the rest of this amazing journey of revitalizing the Baltimore garment industry. See you next time.